Good morning children, this is Pushpalata ma'am. Today I am going to teach you maths chapter multiplication. Word problems I will teach you children. Multiplication word problems. Okay children. Kitty solve these problems. Kitty bought 6 boxes of pencils. Kitty bought 6 boxes of pencils. How many boxes children? 6 boxes. Each box had 10 pencils. Kitty bought 6 boxes, no children. Each box had 10 pencils. How many pencils did Kitty buy? What you have to do children? How many? In the word problem, how many if you get, then immediately you have to do multiplication. Remember children. Remember this children. Okay, like that left in the word problem, left if you see how many pencils left means subtraction you have to do. Total number of means you have to do addition. Bluntly you remember these words children. You are small children, second standard children, no word problems means you will feel somewhat difficult to do. So if in the question how many pencils means immediately what you have to do? Multiplication. Kitty bought 6 boxes of pencils. Each box had 10 pencils. Each box had 10 pencils. How many pencils did Kitty buy? Immediately what you have to do? Multiplication. 10 pencils into 6 boxes. 10 pencils multiply. This is multiplication sign. Into 6 boxes. 6 tens are how much children? 60. 6 tens are how much children? So Kitty, how many pencils Kitty bought? 60 pencils. Right here 60 pencils. Next sum. There are 3 cats. How many cats children? 3 cats. Each cat eats 4 rats. Cats will eat rats, no children. Each cat eats 4 rats. How many rats did the 3 cats eat? Means what you have to do? Multiplication. 3 cats eats 4 cats. Multiply by 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 cats together how many rats they eat? 12 rats they eat. Okay children, write 12 here and write rats. 12 rats. Come to the next sum. Pedro eats guavas for 6 days. Pedro means parrot you think children. Parrot name is Pedro. Eats guavas 6 days. Each day he ate 5 guavas. Each day Pedro eat 5 guavas. How many guavas did Pedro eat in all? What you have to do? Multiplication. 6 days into multiplication sign 5 guavas. 5 6 are 30 guavas. In 6 days Pedro eat total 30 guavas. Okay children. There are 7 rows of children. Next sum children. There are 7 rows of children. Each row has 8 children. Total 7 rows. Each row has 8 children. How many children are there in all? What you have to do? Multiplication. 7 rows into 8 children. 8 sevens are 56 children. How many children are there in all? 56 children. Next sum. Ravi bought 9 baskets of mangoes. Each basket had 6 mangoes. Ravi bought 9 baskets. How many baskets? 9 baskets. Each basket had how many mangoes? 6 mangoes. How many mangoes? How many mangoes did Ravi buy? What you have to do? Multiplication. 9 baskets into 6 mangoes. 6 nines are 54 mangoes. How many mangoes Ravi buy? 54 mangoes. Come to the next sum. A house has 4 rooms. A house has how many rooms? 4 rooms. Each room has how many? Each room has 5 doors. Each room has 5 doors. How many doors does the house have? A house has 4 rooms. Each room has 5 doors. Total doors, how many doors means? 5 fours are 20 doors. Okay, children. Next sum. One van can carry 6 people. One van can carry how many people, children? 6 people. How many people can be carried in 4 vans? See, what you have to do, children? Multiplication. 6 people multiply by 4 vans. 4 6 are 24 people. Okay, children, understood? You practice these word problems at home, children, in your rough book one time, children. Okay, children, learn tables well, children. If you learn tables, you can do multiplication correctly, children. Now, multiplication 2 digit by 1 digit. 2 digit by 1 digit. Up to now you multiplied by 1 digit to 1 digit. Now 2 digit by 1 digit. Pedro parrot has been given a question. 32 multiply by 3. You know 10 tables, children. 2 table 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. But 32 table you don't know, no, children. Then how you will do? 2 digit by 1 digit. 2 digit means ones tens. 2 digit 3 32. 2 ones place 3 tens place. 2 digit by 1 digit 3. Now how you have to do? The wise whole. See here, whole. For example, I am giving, children, how you will do 2 digit by 1 digit. Okay, children, Pedro has been given a question. 2 digit by 1 digit, but he don't know 32 table. So all is there, no? All helps him. How he helps him? Here see, children, 2 digit 32, no? 2 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. You have to multiply 32 into 3. So 3 first ones place multiply, children. 3 2s are 6. 3 table you know, no? 3 2s are 6 you write here. When you do ones place multiplication, under ones only you have to write answer. Next 3 2s are 6 you did know, children. Next multiply tens by 3. First multiply the number at ones place by 3. 3 2s are 6. Next multiply tens by 3. 3 3s are 9. Where you have to write 9 answer? Under the tens place. When you multiply ones place, you write answer ones place. When you multiply tens place, you write answer tens place under only. So 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Understood, children, how you have to do 2 digit by 1 digit? Now do these questions, children. Here see, children, ones tens. 13 multiply by 3. First what you have to do? Ones place. 3 3s are 9. Right here. Next tens place. 3 ones are 3. Right here. Okay, children, understood? Some more sums I will explain you, children. I told you, no, children. Multiply by 0. Always 0 multiply by any number is always 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. So here, see, children, 20 multiplied by 3. First what you have to do, children? First ones place. 3 zeros 0. 3 2s are tens place. Next 3 2s are 6. Right here. 60 is the answer. Next sum 31 multiplied by 3. First ones place. 3 ones are 3. Tens place. Again 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 93. Next 43 multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are tens place. 2 4s are 8. Under ones place ones answer, tens place tens. 2 3s are 6. Again 2 4s are 8. Here next. 1 2s are 2. Ones place 1 into 2. Ones place first 1 2s are 2. Next multiply 1 7s are 7. 44 into 2. First ones place 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Okay, children, tens place next. Again 40 multiply with 2. 2 zeros 0. I told you, no, children. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. 2 4 tens place, 2 4s are 8. Very easy children. First multiply the number at ones place. Next multiply tens. Okay, tens place. Now 2 0 0, 2 4s are 8. Here 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Okay children. Sums 2 digit by 1 digit children. 3 3s are, 1's place first 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Like that you do this sums children. Okay children, we will meet you in next online class children.